Garmin may have some serious competition on its hands with the arrival of a new rugged contender, the Amazfit T-Rex 3. Packed with substantial upgrades, the T-Rex 3 is aiming to shake up the outdoor smartwatch market, with both the Amazfit T-Rex 3 and Garmin Fenix 8 offering Amoled displays, offline maps, and designs built to withstand harsh conditions. The question becomes, is the Fenix 8 worth its premium $1,000 price tag, or can the T-Rex 3 hold its own at just $280? Let's dive in and find out. Both the Amazfit T-Rex 3 and Garmin Fenix 8 are engineered for extreme environments, but there are key differences. The T-Rex 3 features a tough stainless steel bezel, guarding its 1.5-inch AMOLED screen, and offers water resistance up to 100 meters, perfect for adventurers who need rugged durability without overspending. In contrast, the Garmin Fenix 8 steps up with more premium materials, including options for a steel or titanium bezel. It's water resistant to 40 meters, making it ideal for diving. Plus, Garmin enhances the Fenix 8 with leak-proof buttons and a built-in flashlight, making it a better fit for those venturing into night hikes or low-light conditions. Both watches boast impressive AMOLED screens, but the T-Rex 3 pulls ahead slightly with its 2000 nit brightness, making it easily readable even in direct sunlight, matching the best screens from brands like Samsung and Google. Garmin's Fenix 8, on the other hand, offers a slightly dimmer, yet still vibrant 1400 nits AMOLED display. However, the Fenix 8 offers a unique option: a memory and pixel display that prioritizes extended battery life, especially when paired with solar charging. Garmin also delivers a more polished user experience, with customizable watch faces and refined navigation, while the T-Rex 3 sticks to a simpler interface powered by the Zepp app, which is functional but lacks Garmin's depth. Battery performance is where the Amazfit T-Rex 3 really shines. With up to 27 days of regular use and 180 hours of GPS tracking, it's perfect for adventurers who want to stay off the grid without worrying about recharging. Its long-lasting performance in GPS mode is particularly impressive for ultramarathoners or hikers. Garmin's Fenix 8 isn't far behind, especially with its solar model, which can push battery life up to 48 days in watch mode. Without solar, it still offers a respectable 16 to 29 days, depending on the model size. In GPS mode, it reaches up to 92 hours with solar, slightly trailing the T-Rex 3, but still strong overall. When it comes to fitness and performance metrics, the Garmin Fenix 8 takes the lead with its extensive range of features, from heart rate and VO2 max tracking to advanced endurance and hill scores for climbers. It's designed for serious athletes looking for in-depth performance data. The Amazfit T-Rex 3 holds its own, offering 170 sports modes, including new additions like freediving and the Hyrox race mode. With the addition of AI-powered training and readiness metrics, Amazfit is closing the gap on Garmin in terms of fitness tracking. However, Garmin's built-in microphone, speaker for calls, and superior offline maps with turn-by-turn directions keep it ahead in terms of all-around functionality. Both watches are equipped with robust GPS and mapping features, making them excellent for outdoor navigation. The T-Rex 3 now supports offline maps with turn-by-turn directions, which was previously a premium feature on high-end models like Garmin's. It performs well in long GPS sessions, accurately tracking locations for hikers and runners. However, Garmin's Fenix 8 takes things further with dual-band GPS, providing exceptional accuracy in tough environments. Its advanced navigation features, like multipath correction and the addition of a built-in flashlight, make it ideal for those venturing into more challenging terrains, particularly at night. Here's where the decision becomes tougher. At $280, the Amazfit T-Rex 3 offers incredible value, packing in many features that you'd expect from a more expensive watch. On the flip side, the Garmin Fenix 8 starts at $1,000 and can reach $1,199, offering premium materials, deeper performance metrics, and more advanced features. For those who demand top-tier performance and don't mind the cost, the Fenix 8 is hard to beat. However, for budget-conscious adventurers, the T-Rex 3 delivers a lot of bang for your buck. The Amazfit T-Rex 3 stands out as an exceptional option for outdoor enthusiasts and fitness lovers who are looking for a rugged, feature-rich smartwatch that doesn't break the bank. Priced competitively, this smartwatch combines a durable military-grade build with an array of advanced features that cater specifically to active individuals. It boasts a long-lasting battery, which is perfect for extended adventures in the wild, whether you're hiking, mountain biking, or taking on more extreme environments. The T-Rex 3's bright AMOLED display ensures readability in various lighting conditions, making it easy to view critical metrics, even under direct sunlight. With over 100 sports modes, the watch can track everything from swimming and skiing to more niche activities like hiking and climbing, offering real-time feedback and insights into your performance. Its water resistance, GPS tracking capabilities, and robust health features such as heart rate monitoring and sleep analysis make it a versatile choice for those who need a reliable device that can withstand tough conditions while providing essential data. On the other hand, the Garmin Fenix 8 represents the pinnacle of outdoor smartwatches, designed for those who demand nothing but the best in terms of performance, durability, and functionality. While it comes with a steeper price tag, the Fenix 8 justifies its cost with an impressive range of advanced features tailored to serious adventurers, athletes, and outdoor professionals. This smartwatch offers premium materials such as sapphire crystal displays, titanium or steel bezels, and a rugged construction that meets military-grade standards. Its detailed fitness and health tracking capabilities go beyond the basics, offering insights into metrics such as VO2 max, recovery time, and advanced sleep analysis. The Fenix 8 also excels in navigation, with multi-GNSS support, preloaded topographic maps, and turn-by-turn navigation to ensure you're always on track, no matter how remote your location. What truly sets the Garmin Fenix 8 apart is its ability to offer precise tracking for a wide variety of activities, from trail running and triathlons to backcountry skiing and sailing. Its customizable sports profiles allow users to monitor specific performance metrics tailored to their activities, making it the ideal tool for those who take their training and outdoor pursuits seriously. In addition, the Fenix 8 integrates seamlessly with Garmin's ecosystem, providing access to detailed fitness insights, personalized training plans, and advanced recovery metrics through the Garmin Connect app. In essence, both the Amazfit T-Rex 3 and the Garmin Fenix 8 are designed to serve distinct user profiles, each catering to the needs and preferences of different types of outdoor enthusiasts and fitness-conscious individuals. The Amazfit T-Rex 3, while positioned as a more budget-friendly option, doesn't skimp on essential features that make it a highly capable smartwatch for those who lead an active lifestyle. This smartwatch provides a rugged, durable construction that can endure harsh environments, making it ideal for hikers, runners, and adventurers who frequently expose their gear to tough conditions. Despite its lower price point, the T-Rex 3 offers a surprisingly comprehensive set of features, including advanced sports tracking for a broad range of activities, an extended battery life that can last through long excursions, and a bright, easily readable AMOLED display. This combination of durability, usability, and affordability makes the T-Rex 3 a compelling choice for outdoor enthusiasts who don't necessarily need the top-tier features of more expensive models, but still want reliability and performance in their wearable technology. On the other hand, the Garmin Fenix 8 stands in a league of its own, catering to a more premium market segment. It is designed for individuals who are not only passionate about outdoor activities, but also require the very best in terms of tracking precision, advanced fitness insights, and overall functionality. The Fenix 8 is equipped with a vast array of features that go well beyond basic activity tracking, offering users access to specialized metrics like VO2 max, performance condition, advanced heart rate analytics, and in-depth recovery data. Its multi-sport capabilities are tailored for athletes and outdoor professionals who engage in diverse activities from high-altitude hiking and mountaineering to long-distance running, cycling, and even more niche pursuits such as rowing or skiing. Its build quality, too, reflects its premium status, with robust materials like titanium and sapphire crystal providing a durable and elegant design that can withstand extreme conditions while maintaining a sleek, professional look suitable for daily wear. Let us know in the comments which watch you'd pick for your next adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful.